Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Teamwork. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Listening and Speaking, Oral Communication Skills, we are going to learn about how to agree or disagree politely. Before this, in your English for grade 2, I have already taught you how to express your likes and dislikes. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of group oral interaction to agree or disagree politely. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Al-Nahl verse 64, and we have not revealed to you the book of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam except for you to make clear to them that wherein they have differed, and as guidance and mercy for a people who believe. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us the solution of all the differences is in Quran. This is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling to our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught this to us. So it means there can be differences among us, but we should find the solution in Quran. Now, today we are going to learn how we agree or disagree, means if there is any difference of opinion, how should we express it? So before starting our lecture, you tell me, what should we say when we agree with someone? And what should we say when we disagree with someone? So as I told you, we can disagree, there can be difference of opinion, but how should we talk about that? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you mentioned it nicely. Agree means to have a same opinion from someone else. Means someone is saying and you have the same point of view, you have the same opinion, you will say, yes, you're right, I agree, okay? And you will agree with the person. But if a person, and we use these words and phrases to agree. So how do we tell we agree? We say, yes, sure, you are right. Means whatever you are saying, you are right. I agree with you. I agree with you. And that's so true. That's exactly how I feel. So we can use any word or a phrase to express when we agree with someone. And you know, to agree, we should, and we should not be excited. We should talk very nicely, politely, whatever the situation is, right? So when we agree with others, it's very normal. But when we disagree, so what does disagree mean? To have a different opinion from someone else. Means someone is saying something, but we think differently. So we disagree. It's okay, it's normal, but we cannot think all the time in same way. So we can disagree with others, but we should know how to express it nicely, how to express it politely. So how do we express it? We say, no, simple. Whatever you are saying, no, I don't think so. I don't agree, and tell the reason as well. For example, if I say, it's very hot today, you say, I don't agree because I'm not feeling hot. That's okay. That's your point of view. You don't agree with me at this point. I don't see it that way. Means I don't see what you are saying. I don't see it that way. I disagree with you on this. I don't like whatever you are saying. I disagree with you. I respectfully. Yes, that's the right way. When you disagree with your elders, say, I respectfully disagree. I don't feel like this, Mama. Today you're saying, or you even to me, you can say, Teacher, I'm not feeling hot. I respectfully disagree with you. So, beta, whatever we are saying, whatever we are expressing, we should watch our manners all the time, right? So, we use phrase I agree to express our agreement and I don't agree to express our disagreement. So, both ways politely. That's the key. Nicely, politely, with good manners. Okay. So, let's see. What does your book say about it? It's question number 11. It's practice given. So, one student is going to ask the question and the other will answer it. So, teachers kindly make the peers of the student. You can give them the same pattern or they can talk as they want, but every child is going to participate to express if they agree or disagree. Pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have practiced this dialogue or your own. That's good. So I have another activity for you. Now teacher will divide class in pairs once again and teacher will write sentences on board. Now we are going to give you further practice. They are going to make sentences using items on the board. For example, the way I told, today is hot. So this can be one of the statement or whatever statement. You can keep changing it. Now students will respond to it, I agree or disagree. And then in pairs, students take turns in choosing an item for their partner to make a sentence about to agree or disagree. So pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come again. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now I hope you will practice it the same way we learned it today in a polite manner. Good job. So it's a time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences to agree and disagree politely. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today? Today we got knowledge how we can agree or disagree with someone's opinion politely and which type of courtesy words we can use to express our opinion respectfully. So we achieved our today's SLO to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of group oral interaction to agree or disagree politely. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.